Most people don't yield farm because it's risky and complicated. But what if there was an automated system that not only picks the best strategies for you, but balances your portfolio and generates you more consistent returns? Today, we're going to be talking about Sensi because that's exactly what these guys aim to do. None of this is financial advice, purely educational content only, but let's dive into this. So this is Sensi, and these guys are doing something incredibly unique. The investments from your yield farm will basically automatically spread across 10 to 20 of the top performing farms out there. And this diversification reduces risk and impermanent loss significantly. So basically, everyone that's using this right now can earn potentially up to 70% APY more using their smart yield system, because this leverages cutting-edge technology to optimize returns while minimizing risk. And the good thing about their smart yield system is it has the power of automated sustainable yield farming, which basically leverages cutting-edge automation to streamline processes, reducing errors and maximizing efficiency. They also have high yield staking and farming, where basically you can effortlessly stake and farm to earn competitive industry-leading APYs. Because normally when you are yield farming, guys, it's typically between 10 to 20%, sometimes 30% if you're good at what you do. But with this system, they're basically boasting that they could get up to 70% in some cases, which I think is a massive advantage on the market. So definitely consider checking this out in the description. And the good thing about this platform, guys, is the reduced risk and impermanent loss, because Smart Yield employs advanced strategies to minimize exposure to impermanent loss, ensuring your investments remain secure while optimizing returns. So basically, these guys will protect your assets with confidence and intelligent risk management. Now, getting involved with this is super easy. All you got to do is do a simple deposit. You can choose from their tier systems, as you can see here. And then from that point, you do automated optimization. So this is using smart yield vaults, or SYVs, where assets are strategically allocated, monitored, and adjusted based on market changes to ensure the best returns without manual input from the user. So basically what that means is if a yield goes down on a particular asset and then up on another one, these guys could rebalance your profile automatically using their strategies. And then they have reward distribution. So collected rewards are converted into Sensi tokens and distributed to all investors, while small portions support platform sustainability. And this is done in the form of NFTs, as you can see here. So at the bottom, we do have a full withdraw NFT, which you could then sell on the market. When it comes to security, these guys are audited by Cyberscope and Hacken. These are some of the top dogs in the auditing space, so it's great for integrity and legitimacy when they actually attach themselves to a project like this. And it's also important to note that every time a reward is claimed, a buyback of Sensi is triggered. This basically supports the long-term value and the deflationary mechanism of the token itself. As a platform, this is designed for all users, whether you are a beginner into yield farming or someone that's more advanced looking for those higher yields. Because at the end of the day, there is no technical experience required to this with their super intuitive and easy to use UI systems. It's also important to note that each deposit is linked to a unique NFT that can be traded on Sensi's marketplace. But overall, this is a brand new DeFi platform that is making massive waves in the crypto space with their higher than average yield generation and their technology that allows for the balancing of portfolios. So definitely check out Sensi in the description, but that is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.